Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. So let's start with our first DIY. I found these wood pieces at Dollar Tree and I'm going to start creating a snowman face. So I'm going to start assembling this snowman together. I use some wood glue and also hot glue for fast bond. This is a little piece of painter's stick. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing. Some emerald wood glue and a little bit of hot glue, and this is how I'm gonna stand the snowman. And for the arms, I got these little pieces of skewer stick, and with a little bit of hot glue, I'm gonna put one on each side. And I made this little chew twine bow, and I am gonna glue it right in front. And now I'm going to place two buttons right here with some hot glue. I have this tiny wood round and I'm going to start creating the hat and also this wood bead. I'm going to fill in that little hole with some hot glue, and later on I'm coming back with some acrylic black paint. I'll give it one coat, and with some more hot glue I'll just go ahead and glue it to his head. Look at how beautiful. You're gonna have to let me know what you think about this beautiful snowman. And the cost was close to nothing. I'm gonna create another snowman. I'm gonna use those two trees, cardboard, a snowman face, and a snowman wire from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna paint the arms with this white chalk paint only because the trees, I'm gonna be gluing them up there and I don't want that black wire to penetrate. And with this mop head, I'm going to be wrapping the entire wire. Now the snowman is completely covered. I put it to the side, and I'm gonna come back with this cardboard, and I covered it, both of them, with this vinyl paper. And now I'm gonna glue it to the body, and the Christmas trees, I'm gonna glue them to the wire, which is the arms. And this is the way it's looking so far. As you can see, I put in those Christmas trees, and they are looking beautiful. And now let's go ahead and work on the face. I'm gonna cut all of these, and I'm gonna come back and start gluing it. And here we are with a little bit of Mod Podge. I'm gonna go ahead and start gluing all of this, and I'm gonna put some buttons as well. And once we are done, let's go ahead and work on that hat. And I'm gonna do almost the same process. I'm gonna take this piece of this is a folder, and I'm gonna go ahead and trace it, cover it with this vinyl paper, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and create the little hat and glue it the same way with some hot glue. And we are all done once we finish with this, and I am hoping that you do enjoy this beautiful DIY. Look at how gorgeous, and this is going to be going to my wall. If you like it, don't forget, give me a big thumbs up, share it with your families and friends so they can also enjoy this beautiful DIY. And if this is your first time stopping by, welcome to my channel. So I purchased this galvanized house at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to take these 2 screws just to take them apart. Like that, it could be much easier for me to paint. And I'm going to be using 2 different colors from Waverly chalk paint, one with the color plaid and white. And this is what I'm doing. I'm going to give it 1 coat to the piece of wood, and of course I'm going to come back later on and distress it with white paint. And once this is done, I'm going to put it to the side, and I'm going to go ahead and take the galvanized house and give it 1 coat with the chalk white paint. And this is coming out so beautiful. I like these 2 colors together. So as you can see, I'm distressing the piece of wood, and at the same time I'm going to help it dry faster. And then coming back, and I am going to go ahead and put everything back together, and I'm going to start decorating it after that. Look at how beautiful it turned out. I really like it. And guys, if this is your first time stopping by, I would love if you consider subscribing. Don't forget that if you like any of these DIYs, make sure to give me that big thumbs up. That will help my channel. And in the next few days, I am also going to be releasing some more DIY videos for this season, and I am hoping to see you. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell on the side for all, like that. Every time I upload a new video, you will get notified. And as you can see, I did a little wreath, and I used some hot glue, and this is what I did. And I have also this little jute twine bowl, and I'm going to put it right on top of the wreath. And once that is done, I have some red berries. I'm going to take like 3 of them and glue them right on top. And look at how gorgeous this is coming out. Something so nice and simple, yet so beautiful. And again, let me know in the comments section which is your favorite so far. And I hope you have enjoyed this beautiful DIY. So I found this piece of wood in my garage. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I did a little line in the middle, and with this wreath from Dollar Tree, what I did is I hot glue it right in the middle, and I also came in with these wooden blocks, and with some more hot glue, I'm going to hold that wreath together so like that it won't move. So I used plenty of hot glue, and then once that was done, I put some more hot glue in the middle, and then I have a flock tree, and that's gonna go right in there. And this is the flock tree that I was telling you. I'm gonna add some hot glue right there, And I'm just gonna place the green tree, or the flock tree I should say, right in the middle. Now I have a gold ribbon. I should have wrapped the blocks with the ribbon before I added the tree, but oh well, it still worked out. You see what I'm talking about. Now before I get to that part, I have these snowflakes that I bought also at the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna take one, and with hot glue, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on top of the tree. And here's the ribbon, guys. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put some hot glue and wrap it around those wooden blocks. And again, I should have done this before I put that tree in, but I guess it all worked out at the end. But if you're gonna create something like this, then go ahead and do that step first. So I have some more little trees that I went on, and I put one on each side, and these beautiful snowflakes, I'm just hanging them right on top of the wreath, just like you see. And this is all, my friends. If you are still here, you are my hero. And if this is your first time stopping by, I hope you do consider subscribing, and don't forget that big thumbs up.